Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my co-instructor. She has low tone and she's almost 5 years old. And we're working on ball handling skills. So I'm using a balloon and a racket. I love these clear play rackets so she can, it doesn't obstruct her view and she can look through it to be able to hit. And I love starting off with a balloon because it moves much slower than a ball and it doesn't hurt if it hits you. I usually start off sitting with a child who's never done this before, so they're just a little bit more stable to be able to help them. I always cue them to get the racket up first, and then I often will hold back the racket for them to wait to the right time to hit. A lot of times kids like Mila will try to swing the racket too early, and so she misfires. So let's see what we got. Can you hold that racket up, please? Here, hold it way up. And you hold on. I'm going to help her hit. Hit. I usually do the motion a couple of times first before the balloon goes. All right, you ready? Racket up. Racket up. Up. Okay. And hit. Yes! You ready? Racket up. Oh, that's forward. How about racket up? Uh-huh. You do. And hit. Yes! Racket up. Uh-huh. And so racket up. Uh-huh. And yes! Racket up and hit. Yes! Molly, you want to stand up and try it? Way to go, sweetie. I'm so proud of you. Right here. Here, let's just use this as a block in front of you. There you go. Racket up. Uh-oh. Racket up. Uh-huh. And yes! So a lot of times I'll have something in front to keep them from going forward toward the balloon that's being thrown toward them. And you see she's putting the racket toward the balloon where it is as opposed to where it's going to be. Racket up. Racket up. Oh, back here. Racket up. Ready? Uh-huh. Oops, you have to hit it like this. Go boom. Go boom. Hold on. Racket up. Right here, sweetie. Uh-huh. And go boom. Boom. Oh, let me help. So it's a little bit harder standing. You ready? Racket up. We're going to go boom. Boom. Ready? Go boom. Just like that. Ready? Boom. Nice job. Do it one more time. You ready? No. Last time. Whoa. Last time. Racket up. And go boom. Boom. There you go. All done. We are all done. You're right. So it looked like she did just a little bit better sitting, and standing was a little bit more challenging. That's really common for kids when they're first figuring out this trick. You just want to make sure you help them get the racket up high as opposed to forward. And then you make sure you hold them back because sometimes they swing too early. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.